What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore Castle Rock. So we're starting here at the Ridge Trail Camp in the parking lot. Why? What's up, guys? We're here at Castle Rock, over here by Saratoga. So vamos a explorar este parque hermoso. Hope you guys like it. So stay with me. Vamos a seguir explorando. Así que no olviden darle like, suscribirse, amigos. Please like and subscribe. Support my channel for more adventures. Esta cueva antigua.
Por querer hacer muchas millas. Oh, wow.
¿Mande?
¿Para qué lo estaba ocupando? ¿Escuchas la puerta, papi?
¿Dónde está?
¿No lo escuchas?
No. Okay, guys, so we're almost down to Castle Rock Falls with the vista point to the best view. So stay with me and check this out. So this actually was a short hike I did after work. So it was probably like a 4-mile loop that I did. Just wanted to see the sunset with the best views. Este es el que quería ver. Wow. Yeah, este. Wow. Look at this. It's very, oh, wow. It's very beautiful. Mira, guys. This is really nice. Wow. This is the best view of Castle Rock. Se los recomiendo, amigos, aquí en Castle Rock. La mejor vista, la mejor puesta del sol. Wow, me encanta. Okay, so we continue on the same trail, Saratoga Gap Trail, until we find the next. guys. This is a beauty. Check out this view. Looks amazing. I don't know where we at, but this all looks amazing. Saratoga. This is. But yeah, se ve increíble, amigos. Castle Rock está de maravilla. No, y no han visto cuando tiene mucha neblina por encima aquí. Es que está precioso. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. It's just beautiful. Wow, I'm not looking at it. Por aquí se encuentra mi hermosa chica.
Puedes ver cómo ya no tiene.
Interesting. I want to get up there. Okay, let's go up there. Wow.
Oh my god, you see that?
Yes.
No, I can't.
You see. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see this. This looks so cool. Se ve maravilloso. ¿Alguien lo puede ver? Es este. Es una aurora del sol.
Entonces, ellos vienen aquí, pero así vienen de regreso.
You have the best sun from today. It's very nice, very active, and very warm. Guys, so we're gonna switch trails on the interconnector trail and make a right.
No, papi, así estaba la otra vez cuando vimos.
Ay, mi amor. Mira cómo está este árbol. Look. Oh, bueno, no. Pensé que había nacido de aquí. But yeah, it fell over here. Oh, sorry. Wow. Oh, I see. It's bothering me. Okay. Can you go to the Observatory, okay? So welcome to Annalise Smith Observatory Point. This is just a view. De este lado, ¿verdad? Well, yeah, makes sense. Okay guys, this park has like a camping site for you to stay at night, and some people, there's like a group of people that does hiking overnight, and it's pretty fun, but I haven't done it yet, so I'm just aware of that. We found the home. Wow. Coast, Goat Rock Trail, Ridge Trail. This looks beautiful. Okay guys, so we're taking the Goat Trail to Goat Rock. We're gonna check out this place and the scenic view. You gotta wait for this. Mira cómo agarra diferente color, o sea, de así con la puesta del sol. Wow. Mira.
Wow, parece que fuera de mañana, huh?
Yeah.
A ver, acércate.
This is the big rock. Welcome to my kingdom. Órale. The air? Yeah, the air. Oh, nunca había visto esto así de tall, like the high, mami. Órale. Oh guys, this is the scenic view. Amazing. Whoa. Behold, a vast view of the ever-changing terrain. Whew. Maravilloso. This is amazing. Castle Rock and the sunset. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bueno amigos, díganme qué les parece esta vista, esta puesta del sol. Déjenme en los comentarios, sugiéranme lugares para visitar, qué país te gustaría que visite próximamente. This is the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen. Wow. It's gone. Okay guys, so we're heading back. We're gonna take the Saratoga Gap Trail again to take us back to the parking lot. So hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support my channel.
Ya, cuando te pasas, no puedo pasar más.
It's getting a little dark, so hope we get back on time to the parking lot, porque nos va a agarrar la noche y esperemos llegar pronto. ¿Serio?
Si está lloviendo fuerte.
It gets full.
Why you like this more brighter than that?
Ok, a lo mejor no la tienes toda al full. Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes, I am.
Wow. Este es el bosque de Bruja de Bear. ¿Has visto la? Oh, wow.
La concha. La perla en su concha.
Wow. Está un poquito oscuro. No se los recomiendo que vengan de noche si les da miedo. Oye, es asustar a mi público. This is a little bit scary. Not so. Okay guys, we're done. We got out of Castle Rock. It's very dark now. Por fin terminamos la jornada.